Hello traders, hope you guys doing well. So today I'm going to talk about forex news trading manipulation, and because if you have been trading actively, specifically past week, Thursday and Friday specifically, so you may have observed uh, what exactly happened during the news, specifically news related to the US dollar. That is what I'm going to describe here. So for that, uh, this is the forex factory, and I will talk about first this news, these three news which did happen at 3:30 p.m. The timing here I have set the my this trading and platform time is +2 GMT, so accordingly I set the timing of this website accordingly, which is +2 GMT, just for the illustration purposes. So what happens guys here, so we 30 past 3 p.m. There were three news: core retail sales, unemployment claims, and there is one more mid-level impact, which is import price month over month. So we'll ignore this one, okay? So we'll just talk about only these three news. If you look at the data here, all the news green came in green, okay? That means very strong support for US dollar. And specifically, please note that there is not only one news, there are three news. So that means whichever the asset or the currency against the US dollar should go down, right? That what it makes sense, because the news is green for good for the US dollar. And that was on Thursday 14th of December 3:30 p.m. Now we'll go to chart here, and this is gold versus dollar here. First of all, we'll go for the day one chart, and we will mark this one. I'll let you know the reason why. And now we'll go for the R1. So okay, so this is the candle when the day starts, all right? And this one, the day started on Thursday, and this is the candle when the day started on Friday. So now we need to check 3:30 p.m. Now we'll go for, where is this? Just let's see. Yep, this one is 4 o'clock. Hold on a second. Two, three. Okay, yeah, here it is. So this one 3 p.m. So we will go for the minute 30, and we will locate the candle. This you will see guys here, and somewhere around it was here, minute 30. Excuse me, I must be looking Thursday, that was Friday. My apology. So this 3 p.m. okay, this bearish red candle 3 p.m. So that means this is the candle. When the moment this candle opens up here, the news came out, okay? So you'll see at the bottom here in the black, you will see 30 past 3 means 3:30 p.m. and news came at 3:30 p.m. So as I mentioned, if the dollar is strong, gold should go down, right? But it did go up eventually. Like in the first few minutes, market did go down a little bit, somewhere till here. And the traders, like specifically for like us retail traders, maybe thinking like, oh, now this is time and it should go like, something like this and down. But it did go upside, and this is the top guys. And let's see, calculate how much pips did it move upside. 150 150 pips. And the most important thing here is each candle represents 30 minutes time frame. So that means during this session here, this one, these three candles, okay, 1 hour 30 minutes. Eventually it did come down, but that really doesn't make any sense because by the time it came down, first market earlier went upside till here, and many traders, specifically like retail traders account, stop loss would have hit, and probably unfortunately account may have wiped out. And I don't think guys somebody did that intention by mistakenly, because the dollar and gold and dollar is the pair in the forex market which has very huge volume, and in order to move a little bit, you know, it needs tremendous amount of money. So that means it was planned. It doesn't happen all the time, but nobody knows when it will happen. Okay, so I will now will talk about the Friday. Back to the this website here. On the Friday, we'll talk about this news again, the dollar news. So we'll just ignore this one because even though this is again the US dollar news here, but one news came in green, good for the dollar, another one red, not good for the dollar. So this is a mixed news. So even if the market moves like a sideways, goes up a little bit and a little bit down, so that's okay. But considering specifically this news here, the Empire State Manufacturing Index, which was in red, that means not good for the dollar. And moreover, some people say this news is not that like that shouldn't be that much of high impact, uh, but not sure that what is the calculation behind this, but just we'll consider this a high impact news because it is mentioned here in red. That happened at the same time, 3:30 p.m. on Friday. So we are on the chart here on the Friday. So I believe this was the candle because I was looking at very actively. So yes, 3:30 p.m. So that means the moment this candle opens up, so what happens guys here? News in red means not good for dollar. So dollar should be weakened. Okay, so the pair is gold and dollar. That means gold should be in a good position, market should go up. But what happens guys? Market, where did the market go? Down. Exact opposite of the news. Okay, so that is the reason I normally do not prefer trading news events guys, but no worries. I have long ago made a video about the news trading. I will make I will mention that on the description. You can go ahead and check that video. No matter whatever direction market goes, no need to that much of worry, because specifically the strategy designed for the news trading. And so yes, if you want to trade news, you can go ahead. And of course guys, first of all try and demo, so once you are comfortable with that, then only you can apply for go ahead. And if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. As you may have seen that I do reply very proactively, I mean very actively. So for now guys, this was all about the news trading. Trade safe. Thank you.